Okay, this is the chicken coop that's gonna feed our citrus plants. At the same time, the layers will go in here and lay their eggs. Put some grass in each one. And then to get the eggs, we just open this up. The layers run out or stay there, and pull the eggs out of the grass. Same at this side. Let all the layers lay in here. That's the plan, anyhow. Then we make a hole here and cage in half of them along the edge of the fruit trees, so they can just keep pooping all down this citrus row here. And see how big of a difference it's going to make. Daily fertilized trees.